In this video, you guys, we're going to have a little update on the room tour, and a whole lot of stuff has been done to the GTI on the inside though, and we're gonna see if it was worth it. So I have the bill here and I'm gonna let you see what it cost to basically renovate the thing. So watch the entire video. Well guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dutch Mike, and today I will be showing you a little piece of the new room tour, office, whatever you want to call it. And I had the Golf, well, 2 weeks, yeah, 2 weeks at the garage, and well, they fully restored it to its original state. Engine wise it is, so I'm gonna see if it was worth it or not, and I will share the details with you in just a second. But first, let's get into the room. Oh, when you walk in, this is what you see. And well, this bit is not yet finished. However, this bit is. So first of all, we have the Secret Labs chair and the Secret Labs desk, the Magnus Pro if I'm not mistaken, with all the outs and ins, with the lights, you name it. It was really expensive, but if you want one of those or check it out at the shop, I will leave a link in the description. So other than that, we have the aquarium is fully filled. I'm gonna call it the golden red or something like that. So yeah, there is that. And then my nerd trophies. A lot of Dragon Ball Z at this side because well, I'm a little bit of a fan, and Pokemon here, and well, this doesn't need any introduction, does it? And a little bit more of Pokemon here, yeah. And here and here. So yeah, we have quite the collection, and that isn't even all. Well guys, as promised, I had my Golf basically renovated, restored to its original glory. So that cost quite a bit, but as said, we had sold the house, we bought this new one, and we had a little money over. So even though it was quite a lot, you do have another car for that, but you still don't know if you can trust it. So I have the bill right here. I'm gonna share with you everything that was done, but first, before we do that, big shout out to Dave's Garage. They really know their stuff, and even though I always say do what you do yourself what you can, it doesn't always seem to be possible, because I don't know how to change you know, the multi-belt or the timing belt or whatever. And basically because of that, I just had something like, okay, you guys do it, give me the bill and be done with it. So basically I brought it in just for the airco pump, the big maintenance, and just to walk around the whole car because they know what they're doing. And basically they called me up and were like, yo dude, you need to check this out. There's a lot of stuff wrong with it. There was, I'm not lying, this size of a crack in the turbo. Basically it was there always because it was already filled with gum for exhaust. Yeah, well, that's not the way to make it, but it does show I've always driven it like that because I bought it like that. But then again, the car was, I believe, 3,500 euros or 4,000, and that was 4 years ago. So all the time it has run good, but now it's running perfect. We have the bill here, and we're gonna see if it was worth it all. The total bill price, I will come to that in a minute. Let's go over it. We are done. Engine oil. Oil filter, air filter, fuel filter, interior filter, the spark plugs, the bobines, I can't remember what they call in English, but the things on the spark plugs. We have the brake set on the rear, new shock absorbers, a little bit going 2.5 centimeters lowering springs. We have a new turbo, inclusive all of the packaging, distribution kit including the water pump, distribution chain. What else do we have? All sorts of packagings, the multi-belt, a new condenser, a new airco pump, airco service of course, pressure switch airco. Then we have cooling liquid, temperature sensor, cooling liquid itself. The DSG was flushed and of course new oil in it. We have a new carter because it was lowered a little bit because I had a broken spring. They had to line it out, and some small materials, and basically they charged me with 30 hours, which is basically, let's just say they didn't count everything. I want to make sure you guys know this is not a sponsored video or ad or whatever. I didn't get any discount because they basically didn't know I was kind of a YouTuber. But the total price is 6,850 euros. Yeah. But then the question comes, was it worth it? And given the fact I only driven it yesterday and made a little of a test drive with it, used the airco, it is absolutely perfect as it is now, but the only regret I have is you can't see it. You can't see what is done because it's all engine wise. It's not on the outside of the car, it's not on the interior of the car. The interior is still crap, in lack of better terms. We still have to do the roof interior to make that okay, which will be happening this month or the next month. But at least we have airco, and even though you don't see what they have done, you do really feel it. They went for a test drive. They see the turbo have under pressure, under boost, which is not good. So yeah, we have now the full 200 horsepower back, which is really nice. So was it worth it? Well, for that price you do have a different car, but you don't know what's happened with it. This car, yes, it was expensive, but I know I can trust it. And I have a new job, and that requires me to drive across the nation with my own car for at least once a week, up and down. So in the terms of was it worth it? Well, hell yes, it was really worth it. And especially when I see how it's driving now, yeah, I can't complain. So again, big shout out to the guys at Dave's. And yeah, until so far this little update, I will be doing the interior headliners soon. But yeah, we're getting there, guys, we're getting there. And the channel is doing well also, even though I'm not uploading as much as I would want, but we are getting there. So yeah, I guess that was all for today. So yeah, if you want to have this desk, which you can actually pull up electrically, and down of course, I have a link in the description for you for that, if you see fit. And well, I hope to see you guys next time. If you like this video and this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And in the meanwhile, I'm trying to figure out how to make better videos, because I'm not really proud of the videos that I have put out so far, quality wise. But yeah, we're going to kickstart that all. So yeah, I will catch you guys the next time. See you later, guys.